Dear students, in this video, we are going to discuss a very important tricks when it comes to any kind of Olympiad or competitive exams. So that trick is about finding day of the week. Any date, particular date would be mentioned for you. For example, if I ask which day of the week was it on 15th of August 1947. Suppose you are sitting in an examination hall. So can you answer this question without looking at the calendar? Because obviously no calendars would be available. You would not be allowed to look at your phone. So you are sitting in an examination hall. You are solving questions of Olympiad, reasoning Olympiad, maths Olympiad, or maybe NTSC. And this question comes before you, that which day of the week was it on 15th August 1947? So will you be able to solve such questions? So that is the topic of discussions that we are having today. So yes, it is mathematically possible. So I'm using the word mathematically possible. So, I mean, you may be thinking that this is a historic date, maybe because of that, because 15th August 1947 is the date on which India got independence. So there is nothing that that date has to be very historic. We can take any random date, let's say 23rd October, any random year, 1769. So we don't know what is the significance of this date. So immaterial of whether that date is significant, historic, or just any other normal date. So it is possible for me to answer whether this day was a Sunday or was it a Friday, maybe a Wednesday. So now we are going to learn how to answer such questions mathematically. The key word here is mathematically. We are not going to look at any calendar or take help from our mobile. No. So we will have to discuss a trick for that. So let's begin. So, for the benefit and clarity, I have divided the entire chapter into parts, types. One particular question, one type, so that it comes easy on you and we don't miss out on any type. So, type 1. So, type 1 questions are based on one simple fact. Now, what is that one simple fact? So, I hope that all of you must be knowing what is answer to this question. So how many days are there in a week? So all of us know that there are 7 days in a week. And those 7 days, Sunday, Monday. So you know this sequence very well since your childhood onwards. So even a small kid can answer this question, that there are 7 days in a week. So based on this simple fact, many complicated questions can be formed. So fact is very simple, but questions can be complicated. So let us see what is the significance of this simple fact. Let us see the mathematics. How does the mathematics applies to this simple fact? So please understand, suppose you number the day. For example, suppose that your school declares holidays for 30 consecutive days. So for next 30 days, so you are sitting at home. So there is a holiday going on. So if day 1 of your holiday was a Sunday, then 7 days later, again that day would be Sunday. Why? Because of this simple fact that there are 7 days in a week. So if today is Sunday, so 7 days later, again a next week will start. So next week will start. So again Sunday would recur. Sunday would come again after 7 days. So this keeps on happening after a gap of 7 days. Same day keeps on recurring because there, there are only 7 days in a week. So now your school has declared 30 days of holiday. You are sitting at home. So if day 1 of your holiday was a Sunday, then it is very easy to understand that 7 days later again it was Sunday. So you can say that day number was Sunday. So if you are keeping a count of which days of your holiday were Sunday, then day number 1 was Sunday. 7 days later, that means 1 plus 7, that means day number 8. So day number 8 was also a Sunday. Similarly, if you keep on adding 7 to it, so 8 plus 7, 15. Day number 15 was also Sunday. So similarly, if you keep on adding again 7, day number 22 was also Sunday. Again, if you keep on adding 7, day number 29 was also Sunday. So since there are only 30 days, so you need not count any further. So see, just one simple mathematical fact can help you to understand that which days were Sunday. And also, if I would have asked you that how many Sundays were there, how many Sundays did you sit at home? I mean, how many Sundays were there in total in the entire span of the holiday? So you can count and tell me that there were one, two, three, four, five Sundays. So these kind of questions. Fine. So simple fact, after every 7 days, the same day of the week recurs. So let us solve a few questions. So before moving to questions, you can see the effect on the calendar also. Now look here, day number 1 of the month. So this is a calendar showing representing 1 month. So 1 month, and that month is of August, so 31 days. So here as per the calendar, day number 1 is Sunday. So day number 1 is Sunday. So if you keep on adding 7 to it, so 1 plus 7, 8. Day number 8 must also be Sunday. So you can see here, day number 8 is also Sunday. So 8 plus 7, 15. So you see 8 plus 7, 15. 15 is also Sunday. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 is also Sunday. 22 plus 7, 29. So you can see the effect here on the calendar. Now look at the calendar of September. Choose any random date. 13. Day number 13. So day number 13 is Monday. So if 13 is Monday, so if you keep on adding 7, so 13 plus 7, 20. Day number 20 would also be Monday. Again, if you add 7 to it, day number 27 would also be a Monday. So let's verify this as well. So yes, you can see day number 27 is also a Monday. So this is the mathematical concept that we would be using in coming few questions. So now we would be solving a few questions, and all those questions are based on this premise. So this is the setup of the question. You can say setup or the premise of the next few questions that we are going to solve. So what is the premise of the question? Suppose that you have joined a maths Olympiad training program. So you must be knowing that if you are appearing for international maths Olympiad, so you are trained by the government of India for some like 20 days or something. But let's suppose here we are taking an example. So you are supposed to attend a maths Olympiad training program. That means you have to leave your home and go to some training camp conducted by government. So there is such a camp going on. Maths Olympiad training program is going on, and this camp is for 200 days. That means for 200 days you have to stay there. That is the setup of the question. So this is the setup, simple setup. So for continuous 200 days, you are living in a some kind of camp, mathematics Olympiad camp. This is the setup of the question. Now let us see some MCQs. So if day 1 is Sunday and training lasted for 200 consecutive days, then for how many Sundays did you spend in the training camp? So how many Sundays did we spend in the training camp? So what is the information given to us? This is the information given to us, that day number 1 is Sunday, and the second information that is given to us is that the total duration of the camp was 200 consecutive days. Fine. So day number 1 is a Sunday. Last day of the camp is day number 200. Day number 1 is a Sunday. So this is the information given, and we have to simply calculate how many Sundays. So Sunday will keep coming after every 7 days. So day number 8 is also a Sunday. So now if I underline the dates, then that would mean Sunday. So please understand something. So if you keep on adding 7, then you can easily determine the sequence or the particular days on which there was a Sunday. But this would take much time. This would take much time. So there are total 200 days. So you understand that in every week, in every week, there will be a Sunday, there will be a Monday, there will be a Tuesday. So every week, Sunday to Saturday. Fine. So there are 200 days. So let's take this approach. So now you have total 200 days, and the first day is a Sunday. So you can assume a week. So a week that begins from Sunday. So week begins from Sunday, then comes Monday. Similarly, the week ends on a Saturday. So there are total 200 days. So in these 200 days, how many complete weeks are there? How many complete weeks? So if you understand that 1 week means 7 days, 1 week has 7 days. So in 200 days, how many weeks are there? So you divide 200 by 7. So let's see, if we divide 200 by 7, then what do we get? So here 6 is the remainder. So 7 8s are 56. So minus 56. So 4. So this 4 is the remainder. This is the remainder. Um, and this 28 is the quotient. 28 is the quotient. 4 is the remainder. That means 200 is equal to 28 into 7 plus 4. What is the significance of this? So 28 into 7. Why 7? Because there are 7 days in a week. So I can say that 200 days is equal to 28 into 7. That means 28 complete weeks. 28 complete weeks plus 4 extra days. Plus 4 extra days, because you have divided 200 by 7, and then you can see here. So you get 28 as the quotient, 4 as the remainder. So you can say that 200 is days would actually mean 28 complete weeks plus 4 extra days. Now what is the significance of this? We have been asked to count that how many Sundays did you spend in the camp. So in every week there is a Sunday. So 28 complete weeks would mean that 28 Sundays definitely you were there in the camp, because in every week there was a Sunday. Now what about these 4 extra days? So 4 extra days. So how will you understand about this extra days? So complete weeks and then 4 extra days. So your week starts on Sunday as per this question, because day 1 is Sunday. That's why we have assumed that first day of the week is Sunday, last day is Saturday. Now these are 4 extra days. 4 extra days means once the week have ended, then 4 more days, 4 extra days. So week ends on a Saturday, so 4 extra days. So this is the 4th day. So 4 extra days. So after Saturday comes Sunday. So first extra day is a Sunday, second extra day is a Monday, third extra day is a Tuesday, fourth extra day is a Wednesday. So in these 4 extra days, we see that there is a Sunday again. There is a Sunday again. So 28 complete weeks. So each week will have first day as Sunday. Therefore 28 Sundays definitely. And in these 4 extra days, also there is one Sunday. You can see this first extra day itself is Sunday. So total you spend 29 Sundays in the camp. So 29 is the answer. There is no question of either or. You can solve this mathematically. You'll get one single answer. So 29 Sundays. Let's move to the next one. If day 1 is Sunday, day number 117 will be what? So day 1 is Sunday. You have to find about day number 117. Now you see, every 7 days, every 7 day means one complete week. So this is one complete week. This again 1 week will be completed. So 117 days. You can understand that these are equal to how many complete weeks? How many complete weeks plus how many extra days? So if you are able to understand this, that 117 days means how many complete weeks and how many extra days, then you can easily answer this question. How? Because you see, if a week is completed, if a week is completed, then again the fresh week starts from Sunday. So there is a pattern. Every week starts from a Sunday, because as per this question, day 1 is given as Sunday. Now what will happen if you understand this? So let's first solve this. 117 is equal to how many complete weeks plus how many extra days. So for this you will have to divide 117 by 7. So if you divide 117 by 7, what do you get? 7 here. So one time 4 7, so 42 6 times. So 5 is the remainder. 5 is the remainder, and 16 is quotient. So this means 16 complete weeks and 5 extra days. Now you see the meaning of this is that if you draw the diagram, then you will observe that 16 times complete weeks have gone by, 16 weeks, and then you will have 5 extra days. So even if you remove all this, so you know that you have 5 extra days at end. So 5 extra days at end. So this information is sufficient for you to answer, because you know that these are extra days. So extra days means first day means fresh week. This is fresh week, but it could not be completed. It could not be completed. Some extra days were only there. If 7 days would have been there, then it would have become a complete week. But that did not happen. There are not 7 days, less than 7 days. So these extra weeks are basically the fresh week, incomplete fresh week. So 5 extra days. So first day of the week is Sunday. So Sunday, this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So fifth day is Thursday. So answer will be Thursday. So these type of questions, what you have to do? You have to divide the last day. You have to divide the last day with 7. You will get quotient. Quotient means complete weeks. How many complete weeks? So even if you remove complete weeks, answer is unaffected. You get the correct answer. Answer remains unaffected, because you know, even if you remove this boxes, you know the logic, because only the extra days at the end, extra days at the end matter. So you have to simply concentrate on the remainder. Let's take one more question. So this time it is given that day 1 is Tuesday. So what you have to do about this fact? Day 1 is Tuesday. So you have to assume that first day of the week is Tuesday. So week starts from Tuesday and ends on Monday. So this type of week is given to you. This is the difference. Day 1 is Tuesday. So this is the difference now. First day of the week is Tuesday. Last day therefore is Monday. So you have to understand what is day number 66. So same logic, you divide 66 by 7, see what happens. So 9 times, and this 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder and 9 is the quotient. Now what is the significance of this? Significance of this is that you can say that 66 days. 66 days means 9 complete weeks. 9 complete weeks plus remainder is 3. Therefore 3 extra days. So the answer is hidden only in the extra part. So answer is hidden in extra part, because even if you remove complete weeks, you know that you can easily answer using 3 extra days. So 3 extra days. So 3 extra days basically means fresh week, but incomplete. This could not be completed. Therefore, this became extra. So day number 3. So first day of the week is Tuesday. First day of the week is Tuesday. So first day is Tuesday. Second day therefore is Wednesday, and third day is Thursday. So our answer is day number 66 will be Thursday. So these kind of questions you have to divide by 7. You have to concentrate on remainder, and you have to see that what is day number 1 of the week. Let's take one more. This time it is given that day number 1 is Friday. So you have been given a week. First day is Friday, and last day would be what? Thursday. Last day would be Thursday. You have been given this type of week. You have to find day number 107. So what will you do? You will divide 107 by 7 and see what happens. So 7, so minus. So 337. So again you can minus 35. So 1, 15. So 2. 2 becomes the remainder. So 2 is the remainder. 15 is the quotient. So what does this basically means? It means that 107 days, you can understand that this is equal to 15 is quotient. Therefore 15 complete weeks. 15 complete weeks plus 2 is the remainder. 2 extra days. So your answer is hidden in extra part, extra days. So you can remove this 15 complete weeks. You can simply answer using the extra days part. So 2 extra days. So fresh week, 2 days. So first day of the week is Friday. So now you have to use this information. First day is Friday. Second day is Saturday. So our answer is Saturday. Okay, now let's see this one. If day 1 is Sunday and training lasted for 200 consecutive days, that means original premise. You are attending Maths Olympiad training camp for 200 days and day 1 is given as Sunday. Now this time something interesting. You were absent. That means you did not remain in the camp for entire 200 days. You were absent from day number 147. So day number 147 you were not there. And day number 167 also you were not there. That means you came back again on day number 168. Fine. So how many Sundays did you spend in the training camp? Now how can you solve this? So there is a discontinuity this time. So you are in the training camp from day number 1 to day number 146 only, because on day number 147 you are not there. So from day number 1 to day number 146. This is one separate question. You have to find that how many Sundays in. So you can understand that you attended the camp in two parts. In two parts. So how many Sundays are there here? Plus again you rejoin the camp from day number 168. So day number 168 to day number 200. How many Sundays you get from here? So I hope you understand that how this would be solved. So you can consider that you have attended the entire camp in two parts or two sessions. First session, so this is the first session and this is the second session. You can assume this way. So two session. So let's solve this. First session, day number 1 to 146, and it is given that first day is Sunday. First solve this. First session, what happened in first session? So first session started on day number 1 and lasted on day number 146. So day 1 was Sunday. So you have been given a week which begins on a Sunday and ends on a Saturday. So you can assume that how many complete weeks are there? How many complete weeks and how many extra days? So this is the question that you have to solve for these kind of patterns. So how will you solve this? Simply you divide 146 by 7. So if we divide 146 by 7, so 14, so 2 times, so 0 is the remainder here completely, so 6. So this entire 6 becomes the remainder. And since no division is taking place, so we will have to put 0 here. So 20 becomes the quotient. So what basically this means is that 146 days, you can understand that this is equal to 20 complete weeks plus 6 extra days. So in every complete week there will be a Sunday. Every complete week will be a Sunday. There is no doubt about that. So 21 Sundays will be there. So 20 Sundays will be there, not 21. So 20 Sundays will be there because every complete week gives will definitely contain the first day itself is Sunday. First day itself is Sunday plus 6 extra days. So 6 extra days, and we know that first day itself is Sunday. So in these 6 extra days, we again get one additional Sunday. So total 21 Sundays. So 21 Sundays from first session. So please remember 21 Sundays from first session. Now let's solve that what happened in second session. So now see, we have already found out that first session contains 21 Sundays. Now coming to second session. Second session you joined back from day number 168 because you were absent. Please understand properly. You were absent on day number 167. That means you joined back from day number 168 onwards. So let's first find out that first day number 168, whether it was a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday or what. Day number 168. So how we can do that? So if you divide 168 by 7, you will understand that once the week have completed, day number 168 falls on which extra day? Which extra day does it fall? So same thing we have to do. We have to find complete weeks plus extra days. So if you divide 168 by 7, what happens? So 14, 28. So this basically completely divides. So it is completely divisible. So day number 168, day number 168, if you divide 168 by 7, it becomes completely divisible. So being completely divisible means day number 168 is the last day of the week that is being told to you. Last day of the week. Why? Because 168 is completely divisible. That means 168 days can be divided into exact how many weeks? So 14. So 224 weeks. So 168th day is the last day of the week. So last day of the week is Saturday. So 168, day number 168 is a Saturday. So we are talking about second session. So first session, this guy has attended 21 Sundays. In second session, we understood that he resumed back on day number 168 and he stayed there till day number 200. So now we have also found out that day number 168 is a Saturday. Now let's take this further. So, so now we have additional information that day number 168 is a Saturday, and you remained in the camp up till day number 20. So now you can make a calculation in this time duration. So how many days here from day number 168 to day number 200? So 33 days. 33 days, because day number 168 is also included here. So 33 days is equal to 4 weeks, because 4 weeks is equal to 28 days plus 5 extra days. Plus 5 extra days. So this time the first day of the week will be considered as Saturday, because we have found out that day number 168 itself is a Saturday. So your week begins on a Saturday and that's why ends on a Friday. So in these 33 days, how many Sundays are hidden? How many Sundays? So that is the question. So 4 weeks will definitely produce 4 Sundays. So 4 Sundays are there definitely. In these 5 extra days, do we have a Sunday? 5 extra days. And the first day of the week itself is Saturday. So Saturday. And yes, one more Sunday is there. So yes, we have one more Sunday, one additional Sunday. So a total of 5 Sundays. 5 Sundays from here. From second session. So now in first session, 21 Sundays. In second session, we just found out 5 Sundays. So grand total is 26 Sundays. So this is the answer. So this was pattern 1. So we will keep discussing this calendar thing, because if you solve these kind of questions, your thinking capacity, logical understanding is bound to expand.